These are Steve Bouton's wine beakers that myself and my students have been copying and playing around with, gosh, for about a year now. The color on the outside of these they are all waxy white over medium cork, and they're both standard ceramic glazes. And since we live in a beach community and I was going to be selling to tourists, I make all my little medallions a little different. I decided that that looked like sand, so why not have the inside look like the water? I think they came out pretty cool. I measured, they hold about 8 ounces of liquid. And then I did the same thing on a couple of tea bowls. Again, waxy white over medium cork.